Hello there, welcome to Dimpified Guide, and today I'll be taking you on everything you need to know about your dashboard as a business owner on Dimpified. Let's get started.
The first step is to sign in with your email and password, and then you'll be presented with your dashboard. The first thing you'll see is your website welcoming you, and here is your website URL. Here you have your total earnings with the withdraw button, as well as your total bookings, and this is a chart representing that. Here you have your monthly income, where you're going to be seeing the amount of money you make in a month. Here you have the calendar schedule that marks the dates that you've been booked, and here you have your most recent bookings. Here you have your website details, where your customers get to see your services, gallery, testimonials, and prices. And this is the quickest way for you to edit your website if you're on a paid plan. Up here, you get to watch a free demo to clarify things about the website, just like the video you're watching right now. And here you have the help desk, where you can reach us for further questions. If you're on mobile, you'll find this feature on the menu on the right corner of your phone. Here you have recent activities, which basically shows the details of the customers that have booked you. For an extensive use of your dashboard, you have a series of options in your menu to update your website. If you're on mobile, all you have to do is click on the three lines on the top right corner of your phone and you'll find these options. This is an overview, which is basically your dashboard. Next is bookings, just as you've seen on your dashboard. Here you have payment, and the most prominent thing is your transaction and withdrawal history. Here is where you can fill in information about your preferred bank account to receive your earnings. Here you get to see your account balance, sales for the day, and also withdraw your money if you wish. Here you have the edit template, and you can watch everything about this on our demo page or visit our YouTube channel at Dimpified. Here you also have the edit services, and you can also watch everything about this feature on our demo page or visit our YouTube at Dimpified. The next feature is the subscription plan, where you get to see in detail everything about our subscription model and decide if you want to upgrade to a better plan. And finally, you have your profile, where you have and can edit your personal information.
I hope this has been well detailed for you and that you find this video helpful. See you next time.